Hello, welcome to Capsim GlobalDNA CompXM. This video guide for Capsim GlobalDNA CompXM 4 rounds and 5 quizzes. CompXM 5 rounds, 4 rounds and 5 quizzes. So we have 2 products here and 2 product segments here. Budget and performance is quite similar to the competition round, but it has only 4 rounds and 5 quizzes, right? The CompXM. So the segment quite the same. Budget and performance here. 3 markets: America, Europe, and Asia. And now we have 2 products. We started with 2 products. Remember, we have only 4 rounds, so we started fast. 2 products here we update, and also for the performance we update. Check the launching date here, it's okay. The launching date here, okay. The revision date, okay. And we developed 2 new products here. The launching dates of the 2 new products here. So that's for the R&D of the CompXM GlobalDNA. Remember this for R&D, so R&D is very important. I show you again. So we have here the budget segment with the speed and accuracy, and here the performance segment with the speed and accuracy here for performance here, right? And we update the product with new reason kit, update the speed and accuracy. And for the current product, we also update that, and we add 2 new product, and double the sale and profit from round 3. And for, remember, the CompXM only has the 4 rounds, so we started faster. If you need the support, you can send the email. Right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.